consultant obstetrician and gynecologist, Joy Hospital, Attapur. As we know, we are in middle of second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. Vaccination for above 18 years has been started. We are having many queries and doubts regarding vaccination. Many are having doubt whether COVID-19 vaccination is safe during pregnancy and lactation. As of now, there are no clinical trials happen on pregnant ladies. Pregnant ladies are having same risk of developing COVID-19 infection. In many of them, it can present as asymptomatic infection, but in some pregnant ladies, it can present with severe COVID-19 infection leading to ICU admission, hospital care, hospital monitoring. As of now, the benefit and risk, if we take benefit and risk ratio, benefit of taking vaccination is more than the risk for both mother and baby. In animal studies, in vaccination, there are no risk for both mother and baby. So pregnant ladies who are planning to take vaccination during pregnancy, they need to complete both doses with same series, and they need to avoid other vaccination like tetanus and flu vaccination with COVID-19 vaccination. They need to take either 14 days prior or 14 days after COVID-19 vaccination. So we need to see the risk benefit of taking vaccination during pregnancy. Coming to lactating mother, we are not having any clinical and safety data on lactating mother, but the data what we are having of prior vaccine, if mother is vaccinated, the transfer of immunoglobulin to baby by breast milk will be there, that will protect baby also. So if mother is at risk of developing infection, then it is better to take COVID-19 vaccination. And another thing is that whether if whoever is planning to get pregnant, whether they can take vaccination. Yes, definitely they can take COVID-19 vaccination. There's no need to delay in taking treatment for pregnancy. And many fake news is circulating that vaccination should be avoided during menstrual cycle. As of now, there is no scientific basis, and there is no relationship, hormonal, endocrinological or physiological relationship between vaccination and menstrual cycle. So people who want to get vaccinated, they can get vaccinated. By vaccination, we are not only protecting ourselves, we are protecting people around us. So who are eligible, please take vaccination and protect our community against COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.